Hello, Darla Boljat here from Portland, Oregon. I am an artist and an inventor, and this is part 3 and the last part of the Keeping Your Hummingbird Feeders from Freezing Over the Winter video. So I had showed you that it looks like this once you figure, once you get it on there. This is a canning funnel, but there's a couple more versions I can show you. But this just hangs right below it, and even on windy days, it's fine. You just want enough of a gap so that it's not right up against the bottom. And I think I put that in part 2 too. But here's my first version, which is really funny. It is the cup, and just made a hole in it, got duct tape, and then the lines put in there. Now the manufacturer wouldn't want you to do that, so you wanna, I'm not saying to do that, I'm saying I do this. There's the S-hooks that I got from Amazon, and then the grid, there's a grid that I bought from Amazon, and it is for arts and crafts, right here. And it was used in this guide, which is just the bottom of a bowl. And yeah, and it just hangs there, and then it's lit up, and it keeps it warm when you hang it from the S-hook. And you just figured out with your hummingbird feeder how you can hook it with the S-hook on there. And here's another version with that bowl, but it's upside down. So anyway, and the hook just goes right in here, and you just plug it in, and it keeps it nice and warm. So the hummingbirds do not go without food during the winter. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like it, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. There will be more things about hummingbirds and more art if you're interested in art, and more nature because I love nature. So thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.